What is up, members of the Storm? And apparently we're getting some new series beginning of March under DC's new Next Level little thing. Apparently my boy Firestorm is getting a new series? For me, a character I've always found interesting but never got around to like reading a significant amount of is Firestorm. Because for one, he is super powerful and I love me a super powerful character. Along with that, he's spaced in science. I'm a big sci-fi guy. And on top of that, he's a composite entity that's usually made up of two people. I just feel like there's so many interesting things that could come from this. I mean, but he's got some runs in the past, and I'm kind of afraid to like go back and see him because I don't know if like a bunch of them are going to be bad. And plus with the million crises, I don't know if one's going to be good, bad, mid, bad, good. You know what I mean? I know the New 52 one looked really interesting because there's multiple Firestorm-like entities. If you got any reading recommendations for Ronnie and Jason and or just stories of both of them, just send them my way and I'm going to binge read them and give them your review.